If you can boil water and you can chop tomatoes, you and your guests are in for a real treat. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to bring 2 gallons of water to a boil. Then you're going to want to add the penne. And then you want to just cook this until it's al dente. That's great. Now, whole grain pastas are great for your heart. They're loaded with fiber and antioxidants. And if you've tried whole grain pastas in the past and you didn't like them, give them another try because the taste has really come a long way. Now, while the pasta's cooking, we're going to make our fresh chopped tomato sauce. First, we're going to add 1 pound of chopped tomatoes. Now, tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, vitamins A, C, and potassium, and they've also been linked in some studies to lowering the risk of certain types of cancer. Next, we're going to add 3 ounces of arugula. Oh, the colors are so beautiful. Then we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of freshly torn basil. You don't really want to cut basil with a knife because it'll make it brown a little premature. And the next thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Again, use the best quality that you can afford because the difference in balsamic vinegar really does stand out in this dish. And then finally, we're going to add 1 clove of chopped fresh garlic. And everything is going to get topped off with some freshly shaved Parmesan. Now, I like to use a quality Parmesan and a vegetable peeler, as you see I'm doing here. So we'll give that one final toss, and I think we might be ready to add our pasta. So we're going to drain the pasta. Now, after we've drained our pasta, we're going to immediately add it to the bowl with the tomatoes. Now, the heat from this penne, it's going to do 3 things. It'll gently wilt the arugula, it'll release the aroma of the basil, and it'll turn that Parmesan into an ooey gooey glory. Just give this a little toss. And we're going to add a few twists of pepper and top it off with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And it's a pasta party.